Arch motorcycle repairs. If you're looking for help fixing your Arch motorcycle, look no further. Our comprehensive Arch motorcycle repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your vehicle. Look for loose wires. Another seeming no-brainer is checking electrical connectors to see that everything is plugged in. Electrical issues often escape riders because they aren't always visible, but manually checking the connectors can help you spot a problem that wouldn't otherwise reveal itself. If you suspect something other than the battery is the culprit, especially if you've just swapped the battery for a new one, it's also worth looking at your battery connector cables. It's possible your new battery's wiring is incorrect, making your non-starter quick fix once you tighten the cables to the terminals. Weak battery. One of the most common issues is the engine not turning over. A good place to start troubleshooting this is to check the battery. You can use a multimeter or voltmeter to check the voltage on your battery, which should read 12.6-12.8 V if you find that the voltage is too low. That means the battery doesn't have enough charge to start your bike. You'll need to charge the battery or maybe even replace it if it's dead. When you try to start your motorcycle, check the voltage. If a fully charged battery drops below 11.5 volts, then you'll need to replace it. Confirm the kill switch is off. Not every rider uses their kill switch with regularity, but if you have used it recently, it's possible the engine cutoff switch is still activated. Either that or someone else flicked it, or you did it by accident. Either way, it's worth a quick glimpse, as the switch remaining in the on position will prevent the motorcycle from starting. Ensure the fuel valve is set to on. For motorcycles with fuel valves, read non-fuel injected models. Having the setting in the wrong place can keep your bike from starting up. Make sure the fuel valve is turned to the on position and be patient for a few seconds until the carburetor float bowls fill. Confirm there's gas in the tank. A basic pre-trip check is seeing whether you have gas in the tank. But it's something riders tend to overlook, especially if your gas gauge reports a full tank. You might not think to check. Keep in mind that gauges can malfunction, so consider jostling your bike and listening for the slosh of gas in the tank before jumping to other potential problems. If you can confirm there's gasoline in your bike, see if the fuel pump is operational if the motorcycle has one. And if there's a carburetor, see if there's gas making its way there. 2. Engage the clutch. It's usually a no-brainer for experienced riders, but for newbies, remembering to engage the clutch can mean the difference between a relaxing ride and a frustrating trip to the shop. Many bikes must have the clutch in before they will start, even when you're in neutral. There's also the possibility that your bike's clutch switch has been damaged, and you can try pumping the clutch a few times to see if that helps reset it. You can get around the clutch switch, but long term, you'll need another solution and probably a clutch replacement. Put the motorcycle in the right gear. Depending on the motorcycle, you might need to not only engage the clutch but also have the transmission in neutral to get started. If you're new to the bike you're having trouble with, switching to neutral and engaging the clutch can be a valuable troubleshooting step and save you potential embarrassment. Source: nadaguides.com